messing around last night, so at the end, like I said, that last game, I was like, first, I was like, look, I started to shoot my legs. I was like, oh, I'm going to do 2K, because one girl's on 2 hands. Maybe it's too good. You know, with I got a couple pins just to the right through it. The res I had on that thing, oh my goodness. I ended up sparing, they're like, holy shit. They're like,
I don't want to put my back through that.
I know, I don't either. And plus, mine's modified looking anyway. It's weird with those revs on it. It's like nice. The problem is, I don't have speed. I have the revs, I don't have speed. And a lot of people have it. They either have one or the other.
Get a little bit lower at the line. Well, actually, if I can get a lot lower at the line, I'll be happy. I just can't. Slap that 7 out of there.
A little flat. Try to get down and get out a little bit more, but yeah, hopefully I'll be able to hold Joey. It's been like a year or something we've been talking about it. It might have been 2 years. And then Rachel hers too. So hopefully we get that done. You're gonna kill me down there, Bolorama.
Yeah, the dry got me there. Woo! Smoking it. That one was probably one of your best hits. Exactly where you want it, and you throw it the way you want it.
Yeah, it was inside a little bit, but yeah, they said little holes there. So I'm just trying to get down a little bit, try to get a nice little shot. Bob strike?
I like it. Doesn't have to be 10 under 50 to be good. But that one, I got my hand in the shot.
Yeah. Like it's a shootout. Rated threes everywhere.
I was just telling Kayla, I will play for a low pocket hit. Because if I play for a dead pocket hit and I'm off by a little bit to the right, I'm on the nose. But on a house shot, you've got the dry on the outside. If I miss left, I got a shot that's still in the pocket, even though I missed. Ooh, man. Your shots are certainly better than mine.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sorry, Bill. You know. Yeah, we're stringing them up a little bit. Yeah, we're going to the Pink Venom afterwards. Sorry, Bill. It's been a while since we did a Sunday morning, though. I missed that. I know, yeah, it is. I normally don't use it that much, so definitely gonna have to move more right with it, probably. Putting that pressure on me. I can feel it.
Oh, no! Come on!
You had yours like it.
Not like that. Not like that.
Damn. Sometimes you need them.
Yeah.
Hey, I'll take it. I thought it was still. I mean, the way you've been hitting, I thought he was going to come back and get it.
The big thing was I got it down only too far. I didn't set it short. And kind of, it wasn't as much a loft, but I pushed it out.
Alright, try to make it though. I like to see. Hey, you're like, might as well go for it. I mean, what the hell?
Practice.
Yeah, I mean, I still want to go for it anyway. I mean, unless you had like a 150 or something, you're like, oh, fuck it. I'll bowl right-handed with it. I still gotta do a little work. That's all. Same thing. Now, if you were in the house of bowling, it would change that to a strike. If you got a
74? 74? I'd have to say that's got to be my first 274 game.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, no! Don't want to fall off it. I know I missed it.
Oh, that was kind of epic.
Wow, dude.
Yeah. Whew, squeaked it out. Just for the closeness of the two matches at that level, that's a good picture to take.
Yeah, I told her to.
And I'm guessing he's referring to...
Yeah, me, yeah, of course. You always say that. Yeah. You don't take a picture. Well, that was fun.